purchased this at a garage sale, came home, I think it was last year, and created a snow lady. I was not too happy how this came out. The season is over, so let's go ahead and recreate it. I'm giving it 2 entire coats with white chalk paint just to eliminate the face, and then I pulled out my Cricut Joy, and this is what I came up with. Look at how gorgeous. This coffee cup is so pretty. I'm going to be placing this right in front of this cutting board. Once I put the transfer exactly where I want it, then I come in with this popsicle stick. I'm just gonna go ahead and rub it, and I gotta make sure that this is all in place, and all I'm doing is lifting the plastic, and that will be it. Look at how gorgeous. And this ribbon from Dollar Tree, I bought it when it was Halloween, so I'm gonna take one piece and put it right here across the cutting board.
Hey there, makers, gather round. A crafting challenge going down.
I also have a beautiful bowl that I took from a different project because I was not using it anymore, and that one I'm going to be placing it right up here. Look at how beautiful. I love that little succulent right on top, and these little transfer rub-ons from Dollar Tree. I love these. I'm also going to be placing one on top and one down below.
Grab your glue guns, thread your dreams. We're crafting up some wild new themes. On this collab we must use wood on all the projects. Wood, she's making cutting board, cafe theme, oh here it comes. Let's light it up, let's make it shine.
Then with the same ribbon, I'm going to be creating a hook to hang it up on the wall, and then this will be it. I am totally in love with this piece. I love it better than the one with the Santa Claus lady. Let me know in the comment section your thoughts.
Aurea's DIY, don't forget to subscribe, it's free. From scratch to stars, we build, we play on Decor. You go with our life, Aurea.
For this next project, it's so easy. I'm going to be using these wooden clothespins. I'm going to take them apart, and then with hot glue, I'm going to be placing them around this little vase here. I created this vase several months ago. I added matches in the inside, and I also added the strip to turn on the matches to the lid. I hope that makes sense. Once I am done with this entire thing, I had to take the last piece and cut it in half with my miter shear because I had to make sure that it adjusts to this size. So that's all I did. And then once that was put in place, then I went on and I started to put the matches in. But then after the matches were inside, then I figured, man, I'm going to be using some jewel twine just to keep these together, because you know, hot glue and glass don't really go together. They don't hold for a long time. So I'm going to go ahead and start placing some of this jewel coat wherever the grooves are at. And just like that, this simple project is all done. I love to hear what you think. Drop your thoughts in the comment section below. Here's another repurposed project. I put this together one year for Valentines, and it is time to refresh this. I'm gonna take all these embellishments out. I'm also gonna be taking the wood beads, and I'm gonna be replacing them. And then I purchased this before the prices went up. So the big large boxes cost me $1, and then the 2 small, because I'm gonna be adding a 4th one, those came together. They insert inside each other. So I'm going to go ahead and clean this up, sand it a little, and of course with hot glue I'm going to be gluing the 4th box to the side. Guys, you want to hear something funny? Look, here you see me looking to see if everything matches, because one time I was creating something like this and I started gluing the boxes together facing down up to the side, and when I went to look at the arrangement, it just didn't make any sense. I had to take it all apart, and of course I was watching one of my favorite shows while I was crafting. That explains that one. So yeah, make sure that you put them all facing with the opening to the top, and then of course I'm going to be rearranging these wood beads. So here it is, I put them right there and the next two right here, and now I decided to put one more right in the middle, because if I'm putting something heavy, I don't want it to fall. But after I did this and I was done with the project, I'm like, why didn't I add it two, one on either side? Yeah, I don't know, guys. Yep, it slipped my mind. So I am using this cloudless acrylic paint. I'm going to be painting the entire box. Now that it's completely dry, then I came in with white chalk paint and I'm going to be heavily distressing the entire piece. Today is the 5 under 5 wood decor is the theme, and this is hosted by Farm Charm Chic with Emily, and her guest host this month is Gracie Neighbors with Sharon. I'm going to be leaving the links directly to both of their channels down in my description box. Please make sure to go ahead and visit them and let them know that I sent you. They have a lot of inspiration for you. There's also a playlist down below. Make sure to visit these talented ladies. They have so much more to show you. Make sure to subscribe, share, and like to their channels. Don't forget to leave in the comment section that I sent you. And you know we have to create 5 projects under $5, and of course this cost me less than $5. I didn't know where I was going with this, so I decided to cover this here. I have 2 oval wood beads and each of them have opening on both sides, so I took half beads and glued them on each side or each end of the oval beads, and here it's how it turned out. Now I am going to be distressing it with white chalk paint, and then with plenty of hot glue, I'm going to be gluing them on either side of this beautiful floral arrangement. I also have these little mini wood rounds. I'm giving it one coat with white chalk paint. I'm painting both of them the same color. And then I also have some transferable stickers, and I am going to be cutting 2 flowers out, and those are going to be placed on top of the wood rounds. And now with some hot glue, let's go ahead and put these little 2 wood rounds, one here and one right by the heart. I'm also going to be putting some leaves here and there wherever I think it looks good, and more flowers. So what do you think so far? Several years ago, I went to a garage sale and I bought, I think it was like 100 succulents. I'm not sure if it was for $5 or $7, but they even had this little vase. They came just like that. I'm going to be using 4 succulents. I'm going to place them in the inside. Then I'm coming in with my Spanish moss, and I'm going to be filling in those spots right there. And then this is it. This is so beautiful. Let me know in the comment section your thoughts, and here's the final review. This project here probably took me less than 3 minutes. All I am doing is taking this coaster, taking some black chalk paint, and I'm going to be painting only the border.
Hey there, makers, gather round. A crafting challenge going down.
I also took 4 wood beads, and I am going to be placing them on each corner, and this will be a little riser. And then this will be it. This was a project that if you blinked, you missed it. This was nice and quick, but it serves the purpose for what I am going to be using it, which is going to be for putting a candle right on top. And here it is.
Hey there, there, welcome to DIY with Aurea glue guns ready. Let's make some magic today. It's the collaboration Fire and the Fly, Lester Beatty Gray.
I have this beautiful picture frame. I cannot remember where I purchased it from. I think it was from that time that I went to a garage sale and they gave me a whole box full of frames that I'm still using them. So I think this is where this frame came from. So I started with one frame, but then I didn't like it, and then I switched to a different frame, which I wound up liking a lot better. So I took advantage that my Cricut was out and already connected. So I went and I printed "Welcome to my coffee station," and that's what I'm going to be placing right on top of here. And don't forget to visit the playlist down below for more inspiration. These ladies are so talented. I'm telling you, you're not going to regret it. Don't forget to subscribe to all of our channels. It's completely free. And because this collaboration is all about adding some type of wood somewhere on your project, I have wood beads and a wood ring, and that's what I'm going to be creating a hook, so like that we could have something to put it on the wall. And if you are still here with me, you are a true hero. Thank you so much for staying until the end of this video. I truly appreciate every single one of you. Let me know which of these projects is your favorite. Let me know in the comment section. Also, let me know from what part of the world you are watching me. I really enjoy interacting with you and reading your comments. And I also noticed that a lot of my viewers have not subscribed yet. It is completely free, and it means the world to me when I see that more people have subscribed to my channel. Thank you once again, and here is the final review, my dear friends. Let me know again which is your favorite.
Thanks for stopping by and watching till the end. Hope you had fun. Come back again. Don't forget to like, subscribe. It's free. DIY with Aurea creativity.